Good viewers, let's solve this beautiful equation. We have to find the value of x. Here we are having x raised to the power of x is equal to 64x raised to the power of negative x. What can we do here? The first thing we have to do is to make sure that we get rid of this. Getting rid of this, we have to introduce the reciprocal of minus x. The reciprocal of minus x is plus x. So we have to find the power of x at both sides. It means to both power, we are doing the same thing to both power. So we are now left with x. So x plus x, that should be 2x, is equal to 64x. So minus x plus x, that gives us 0. And mind you, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Recall, a raised to the power of 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So it means this will later be 1, which means we have x raised to the power of 2x is equal to 64. What we have to do here is this. Recall that whenever you have a, for example, raised to the power of a into b, this can be interchanged to be a raised to the power of b all into power of a. So it can interchange. Let's apply that here. So it means we have x raised to the power of x and raised to the power of 2 also, which the 2 can come in outside like this. So it's equal to 64. Now, to get rid of these two, we have to find the power of half of both sides. So what we do now is this: we have x raised to the power of x and to the power of 2 times 1 over 2 in order to cut this. That's reciprocal. So we have to do the same thing to the other side. So 64 raised to the power of what? 1 over 2. We have done it to both sides. So here, these 2 cancels the 2 here. So we are left with x raised to the power of x is equal to 64 raised to the power of half. How do we do that? We can write this as 8 raised to the power of 2 now times 1 over 2. So this cancels this. So it means we have x raised to the power of x is equal to 8. Now, to solve this, x raised to the power of x is equal to 8. What you can do here is to introduce natural log to both sides. So it means ln x raised to the power of x is equal to ln 8. Okay. So in the law of logarithm, any power in terms of log, be it natural log or logarithm, these have to come here. Okay. So we have to say x ln x is equal to ln 8. From here, to get our x, we have to introduce something that we call Lambert W function. Under Lambert W function, how does it work? Now, we want to talk about Lambert W function. Okay. Or we call it product of log. Call it product of log. That's another name, yes. Now, what it says is this: if you have x, exponential x, you have to find the W function. So W function of this means the answer will be x. That's just the rule. W function means the answer will be x. So if we introduce that here, how can we go about it? There's an exponential here, and there's no exponential here. So the only thing we can do to this side now is to make sure that we do things like this. Let's take for example, if you find exponential of a function, I also find the natural log, which is ln of that function. For example, y. This and this will later cancel out and give us y as the answer. So let's introduce that here. So it means we can find exponential of ln x. So once we have done this, we have used that to represent this. This and this can later cancel out. So we are left with ln x here. What we have done here is just representing this. We have done two things that are reciprocal to each other. So it's equal to ln 8. We intentionally do this so that we can have this pattern. Looking at it critically now, so exponential of x here, also exponential of ln x, okay, and we have x here, we also have ln x. So which means if we introduce W function to this, we are just going to get answer as our ln x. So it means having a W function of exponential to ln x, we are having ln x, which is equal to ln 8. here the W function, it is applied there, we have to apply it to the other side also. So it means you are also having W function to ln 8. So W function, W function. W function here will make sure that this one becomes just ln x, which will be equal to W function of ln 8. It is very easy for us to get our x now. It's just for us to introduce the reciprocal of ln, which is exponential. So you have to do it to both sides. So it means exponential of ln x is equal to exponential of W function to ln 8. So this and this will cancel each other, so we are left with x is equal to exponential of W function of ln 8. This is the final answer, but I would like you to use your calculator to get the final answer in figure. If you don't know how to calculate this using your calculator and you want me to make a video on it or to show you how to do it, please let me know in the comment section below and I will gladly answer you. Please, if you enjoyed this video, like the video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe, share with friends, and press the notification bell so that anytime we release video like this, you'll be notified. Thank you and God bless.